an interaction involving a parked vehicle, and a tow truck brought officers to an Orlando apartment complex after a disagreement between residents and the tow operator. When police arrived, emotions were already high as everyone involved tried to explain what had happened and understand how the situation would be handled.
Hey! 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 Come here! Come here! Hey!
You gotta touch me.
Okay, okay. You gotta come this way.
Back up from me. Back up from me.
Hey, Eunice, give me a 44. Hey, stop. I need you to listen.
You're trying to take my car for what right now? And you're gonna let him?
I need you to listen.
And you're gonna let him?
Back up. He's doing his job. I need you to stop. I need you to stop. Relax. Stop. Now you're fucking touching me. Get the fuck on the ground. Get the fuck on the ground. You don't fucking touch me. What's wrong with you?
Look at this. Look at this.
Give me your hand.
Look at this. Look at
He
this.
only won fighting one.
Look at this.
Give me your hand. Just give me your hand. Give me your hand. Yeah, you're gonna rest. Don't fucking touch me. What's wrong with you, little girl? What is wrong with you? Because you don't get to touch me like that. What is wrong with you? No, you just smacked my hand, girl. What's wrong with you? No, now you're going to jail for something stupid. Now you're going to jail for something stupid. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I'm not gonna say it again. You're gonna get tased. It's not gonna go in. It's not gonna go nice for you. You need to give me your hand now. Give me your hand.
I didn't do anything
All right,
wrong.
relax.
I didn't do anything
Give me your hand.
wrong.
Give me your other hand now.
anything
Give me your other hand now. You are under arrest. Yeah, you can record everything. Everything's being recorded. All right, give me your other hand now. Give me your other hand now.
I'm not doing
Relax.
anything.
Give me your other hand now. Relax. You stop touching shit. You doesn't matter. Stop touching shit. You don't get to touch anything. Give me your hand now. Relax. Stop. You back the f up because you about to get tased. All right. You're gonna go to jail too. You're gonna go to jail too. Hey, secure her. Hey, secure her. Come on.
I'm not doing nothing.
Get on the ground now.
Get on the ground now. You're not gonna throw me. You're not gonna throw me. You're not gonna throw me. I am on the ground. What is it? Why? Hold on.
In the end, the disturbance resulted in multiple arrests and several charges tied to resisting officers and interfering with the tow operation. What began as a disagreement over a parked vehicle quickly evolved into a much larger confrontation, showing how fast emotionally charged situations can spiral once communication breaks down during police encounters.
All right, cool. No, put her in handcuffs. No, you don't get to touch his equipment. Go on the ground. Give me your hand. This is resisting. Look, put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Stop resisting. On the floor when you told me to get down.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't work that way.
How does it not matter? I got on the floor when you said get on the floor. Like you guys said get on the floor and I got on the floor. How is that resisting?
Man, stop tension though.
I mean, I'm uncomfortable right now. I got on the floor when
Well,
you
calm down. We'll get this situated.
I mean, I'm trying to understand. Why am I in handcuffs when I got on the floor and you guys told me to get on the floor? There's a baby upstairs.
Okay, let's figure this out. Wait, relax.
There's a baby upstairs. Please, there's a baby upstairs. Please, please, please. Even if you take me, I don't care. Just please let her. There's a baby upstairs, please. There's a baby upstairs. There's a baby upstairs, please, please. Please, please, there's a baby upstairs, please. Please, please. I'm very confused. Why am I on the floor here when I got? Of course I did.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We told you to go down and put your hands behind your back and you didn't listen. You didn't listen. You did not listen. You decided to keep recording and not listen. That's why. But we told you get down, you obey what we're saying. You put your phone down and you get down. You listen to what we're saying. No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
My little brother's upstairs. My little brother. What the fuck?
Hey, we need to talk.
No sense.
This first car right there. You want mine or yours? Right here, mine.
Crazy as hell. Like, this is crazy.
7. Okay. Why are you towing the car?
She was
parked here. The vehicle was left unattended.
Okay.
It says no parking. She's blocking the dumpster.
Okay.
I hooked it up. She came running down.
Okay.
Offered her the 6250 John.
Okay.
She started talking hella shit. That bitch ass nigga this, that, and the third. I'm like, look, if you continue, I'm gonna tow the car. She kept on. I started to set my dollies up. She would grab them and throw them into the grass.
Okay.
I went to set my bars
You're
up.
not gonna tell them how you push
I didn't push her. I don't have a body cam.
Everything's on recording. You're good.
I'm walking with my dollies and she's trying to like push me out the way. and
So
stuff
which
like that.
one hit you?
No,
Any
they
of them hit you? They just pulled up?
see, they just pushed.
So
They didn't physically hit.
whoever was grabbing the tow truck stuff,
That
I
was
saw
the-
her
the mom.
grab it.
The mom.
Okay. That's why she's in handcuffs.
The daughter, every time I would set my dollies up, she would grab them and toss them into the grass.
Okay.
The daughter, the one that
Well,
you
she's
cuffed.
going to jail for smacking my hand while I was trying to push her away. So that's resisting. She's going to jail for something else.
Well,
Anything happened to you besides her
No,
trying to block the job?
I'm not hurt. I'm not worried. I'm not hurt.
Perfect.
I'm not hurt.
So
I'm not hurt.
anything.
I was
so
trying to set my
besides
dollies up.
So besides her just trying to stop you from equipment, there's nothing else.
I'm grabbing my dollies. I'm just using that as an example real quick. Like she would like try to like push me out the way.
Okay.
I didn't physically touch her. I didn't put my hands on her. Nothing. My hands were on my equipment the whole time.
Okay.
So
So when you started towing up the truck or the car, when did what apartment did it come out of?
they were upstairs. They were kind of like. By the time I started to like lift, she was at the bottom steps. I didn't know it was her car. There's plenty of other cars. She didn't say hey. No, she didn't say none of that.
Okay.
So I lifted the car. She came up. She actually opened my door.
Okay.
She yanked
Which
my door
one?
open. The daughter.
The one in the pink.
Yeah.
Okay.
She actually pulled my door. I was like, right there, we're gonna stop right there because you're not gonna sit there and yank my door open.
Okay.
That's a big no-no.
All right. And then you have authority to take calls
Yeah,
from
we
here
have
from
the
the
contract
phone.
here.
Beautiful. All right. I'll just need you to produce that and let me get your ID real quick. Senior security, come in.
I'm sure there's
Kneel down.
proof.
Kneel down.
Like, I'm sure there's proof that I got on the floor when you guys told me get on the floor.
Help me get you up.
Like, I mean, I could have got up just like I got down when you guys told me. I just don't understand what's going on. Sí, con la nena, con la otra. I don't understand. So it's like you guys are automatically on his side, is what it seems like.
That's not how it works.
But it does. That's how it seems.
But as we're trying to
But you
figure
guys
out,
aren't even trying to figure nothing out. You guys
no
automatically.
one was giving us an
handcuffed.
opportunity to. Everybody
You
was
guys
just
ran up
screaming
to
us.
us and started throwing us on the floor. How is that giving an opportunity?
Yours is open? All right.
Y'all didn't ask us what was going on. Like, you guys did not ask us at all what was going on. How is that giving
Give
us
me a second. We're going to figure everything out. I'm going to talk to you in a second, okay?
Sit right at the door. You guys act like I killed somebody. Like, what are you guys locking me behind a police car for?
Get your cuffs, man.
I
Just
get
give me a
it. I
second.
get that.
Allow me to figure out
I
what's going on
understand.
before
That's
you
fine.
start yelling at me,
Can you
okay?
ask us what's going on?
Give me a second.
But why do you guys want to go? My question
Put
is,
your legs in.
so
We'll
it
get
doesn't
back
matter
with
what
you.
I say.
We're gonna bring you this
There's three of
situation.
you guys. Can one of you guys stay with me and ask me what's going on? Like, why everybody has to go ask
Put your
him?
leg in. We'll come right with you.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Why is everybody worried about what he has to say and not what we have to say?
Ma'am, we come out here to this call.
I just asked the question. I'm not getting it. I just want to ask you a
We're
simple
going to
question.
figure out the whole situation.
But why I'm asking, so why does it take 5 officers to ask him what's going on? Whether at least you stay here with me, one stays with my daughter, and 2 of them are over there taking his side. Like, why does everybody want to go talk to him?
Talk to me. Go. Let me hear. Go.
Ask me what's going on. The same thing you're gonna go over there and do with him. Can you do it with me?
Yeah, give me a second. I want to see what they want to do. I'm not primary officer on this.
Okay, well, I mean, yeah, because at this point, everybody's over there with him. I'm just trying to figure out, how does that work? How is this fair?
Yeah. Put your
And
leg
let me
in.
ask you something. No, while I have you here, officer, I mean, I think I could
I
ask you
can't
questions.
answer your questions right now. Put your leg
You
in.
can't
and when we
answer
get-
a question?
When we get to that, we'll answer your questions. Wait.
Hold on.
I don't care what happens to me, but my mom, is she okay?
Where's your mom?
She's
that the other lady?
That's my mom.
How old are you?
I'm 24, and that
Alright.
little boy over there is my little brother.
Okay, and that's your mom?
That's my mom.
Okay, cool. You're gonna hang tight. The officer's gonna talk to you, alright?
Okay.
Just hang tight. Yeah. I moved her back. She got contraband in it. So I think she so I didn't want anybody to start taking it. Yeah, I didn't want nobody taking it, so I couldn't secure the mad people. Hello, what's your name, ma'am?
Milani.
Milani? Okay, I'm Sergeant Gonzalez. Are you injured at all?
No.
Okay, you need medical attention?
No.
Okay. You doing okay back here?
No.
Are you hot?
Yes.
Okay, we'll try to get you some air, okay? Hello, what's your name, ma'am?
Priscilla.
Priscilla? Okay, I'm Sergeant Gonzalez. Are you injured at all? Do you need any medical attention? Okay, are you doing okay back here with air, or do you need some air?
I would like to go upstairs where I was, but I mean,
Okay, but do you need any air, or are you good on it? Okay, you give us 2 minutes, okay? Thank you. All right, you calm? Calm enough?
Okay, so right now you're going to jail for battering a law enforcement officer. You don't get to touch me. And on top of that, resisting. All that could have been avoided. All I was doing was pushing you away so we can talk about it. At the end of the day, he has a job to do. He has a contract from here to tow any vehicles that block that parking lot or that parking space. You chose to park there. That's no one's fault but yours. And all you had to do was just talk to me. But because you were such at a high elevated state, you didn't want to reason. Putting your hands on me is unacceptable. So that's what you're going to jail for.
I didn't put my hands on
Yes, you did. It's caught on camera. It's caught on camera.
All I did
You don't
was
get the
move
smack.
my
No.
hand.
All
I did was move your hand
listen.
away from my
You will get.
face.
That's your argument. That's what you want to stick with. You will get that in court. At the end of the day, you're still going to jail. Now, do you have a medical marijuana card?
No.
Okay, so you have weed in your possession. Okay, so your mom is probably going to take it right too, because she wanted to interfere and resist the officers over there. So all of this could have been avoided had you just would have listened to me for a second, and you chose not to. Your mom didn't make it any better because she thought I was violating your rights. At the end of the day, you guys have to listen, and nobody was listening at the moment of time I came to make contact with you. You already riled up in his grill before he was trying to do his job. You cannot do that. You cannot obstruct a tow truck driver. That's the problem here. You think you had that most, you didn't have that. You have to relax, breathe, let me talk to you. This probably could have figured out. You probably would be having your car right now if you would have just listened. Because he was going to say you shouldn't have to pay a fee for me to drop it, and then you take the car back. Ma'am, you were not trying to do. You were upset to the point that I couldn't even reason with you, and because I couldn't reason with you at that time, you decided to smack me, and I'm taking you to you down.
I did not.
Okay, all right, that's fine. That's caught on body camera.
I did. I definitely
All right.
did. Was going to give him the money that he
Okay,
asked for. I
okay,
was literally calling him looking for it.
All right, so
In the end, the disturbance resulted in multiple arrests and several charges tied to resisting officers and interfering with the tow operation. What began as a disagreement over a parked vehicle quickly evolved into a much larger confrontation, showing how fast emotionally charged situations can spiral once communication breaks down during police encounters.
looking at things. See the gravity of what you could have done had you just listened. You're making it worse for the entire family because now I have to call them if there's no one else that can stay with those kids. Off of just a simple argument with a tow truck driver, you could have just avoided the situation by letting me explain or talk to you. She's going to jail. She's refusing the officers over there. You cannot fight officers and think you're going to get away with that.
Refuse?
Listen. I'm not going to sit here. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you.
No, I'm not arguing.
All right,
this is a conversation, isn't it?
We're done with that. She's going to jail as well.
So this is a one-sided conversation. Basically.
No, she's just going to jail. Do you have anything on your persons?
I do not. You want to check me?
Yeah, step out real quick. You got your camera on? Yeah.
No
Turn around. All right. Just like I explained to your daughter, you're also going to jail for resisting. Now, do you have anybody here that can take care of your child? If not, I'm calling DCF.
Yeah.
Who?
The person who has him right now.
And who is he?
She's like an aunt to him. She's been here since we've been.
Okay. I can ask her, see if she wants to take him. If she doesn't, then like I said, we'll have to call DCF. Do you have anything on your persons? All right, step out. You have your camera? Turn around.
I mean, my phone's probably in the grass somewhere.
Yep. Well, I'll see if I can find it.
I'll see if I can find it. If you don't find it, I'm not gonna leave my phone.
That's not my problem.
Oh, that's fine. That's
You became
fine.
the problem.
No, I didn't. I listened when I was
Okay.
told.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna speak
All right.
no more.